Welcome to ProContractor Studio, powered by the RainCat technology. In this presentation, we will briefly cover the steps necessary for creating an irrigation design. Now that we have drawn the property or imported a scanned image of the plot plan, we are ready to begin placing sprinklers. We can use the scroll button on the mouse to zoom in or pan around the drawing to get a better look at the area where we are working. Clicking on the sprinkler placement icon will open the placement dialog box. We can select a manufacturer from the list and a category of sprinklers. We can then select the sprinkler we would like to place on the design screen. There are other selections such as the symbol assignment, the color, the operating pressure, and body assignment. There are several different methods of sprinkler placement. If this is a fixed arc pattern, we simply set a point on the design screen for the location and rotate the sprinkler to the correct angle. We can repeat the steps until we have finished placing sprinklers of this type. If the sprinkler has an adjustable arc pattern, we set a point for the location of the sprinkler and set 2 points for the beginning and ending of the arc in a counterclockwise direction. If we need to place multiple sprinklers along a row, we can set the first sprinkler and simply drag the mouse to place multiple sprinklers. The first and last sprinklers will be removed from the row. The sprinklers will be evenly spaced along the row. This process simplifies the placement of sprinklers along straight edges created by property lines, driveways, or sidewalks. It also makes full circle placement easier. When placing drip tubing, we can select the manufacturer and the type of tubing we want to use on the design. We can set the color for the tubing and the desired pressure at the emitter. Drip tubing may be drawn as single lines of pipe or as a shaded area. When we draw drip tubing as a shaded area, we simply outline the area to irrigate. The program will automatically calculate the total length of pipe within the area and determine the flow based on the calculated number of emitters. Placing a water source is easy. Simply place a symbol on the design screen and assign the necessary information to the symbol in the dialog box. A water source may be either a pump or a water meter. If this is a water meter, the program will recommend the flow through the water source. Now we can group sprinklers into zones. As we select sprinkler symbols, the program totals the flow of the selected sprinklers. The program will also warn us when we exceed the recommended flow through the water source. Once we are satisfied with the flow of a zone, we can then assign the symbols to a zone number and continue the process. Once the sprinkler symbols are assigned to zones, we place a control valve symbol for each zone. We can place the symbols anywhere on the design screen and then assign the control valves to their associated zone numbers using the same method we used to assign the sprinklers. We set one point for the location of the sprinkler and a second point for the rotation angle. Now we can draw the lateral line pipe back to the control valves. We simply click on the sprinklers and draw lines from each sprinkler back to the control valves. We may draw pipe as unsized pipe, or we may draw pipe as a predetermined category and size. We can also draw the mainline pipe from each control valve location back to the water source symbol. The polar tracking feature helps keep the pipe nice and straight. We may place other symbols for backflow devices, master valves, controllers, rain sensors, and more. You may create your own symbols, or you may use the symbols that come with the software. When it comes to pipe sizing, we can choose the type of pipe, select the sizes we want to use, enter the velocity, and set a pressure variance. We can label all pipe or transitions from one size to another. We can color code pipe by zone or by pipe size. Pipe sizing is then accomplished with just a click of a button. That's it, the lateral pipe is sized. Now to size the mainline pipe. The program can also size looped mainline piping networks. Hydraulic calculations are quick and easy. Just select the zone and click on the Calculate button. We can then insert the text on the design screen with just a few clicks of the mouse. We can add more sheets of paper to our design using the Drawing Page Setup command. We can then create an irrigation symbol legend in just a matter of seconds. Other symbols may be placed, such as a title block with project and designer information and a north arrow. We can create pipe hops and place valve notation symbols. We can also add text to the design or place miscellaneous symbols such as automobiles, furniture, and more. All it takes is a click or two of the mouse, and a complete list of materials for the installation of the system is available. If we enter pricing information in the database, we can create a proposal of the estimated cost of installation as well. Now you can create professional designs without a substantial financial investment with the powerful and easy-to-use Pro Contractor Studio.